Tricycle landing gear. Tricycle landing gear is the most common configuration used on modern airplanes, and it consists of two main wheels located under the wings, or fuselage, and a smaller nose wheel positioned at the front of the aircraft. This design gives the aircraft better stability during takeoff, landing, and taxiing. It also provides improved forward visibility for pilots on the ground, which is why most commercial airliners and modern training aircraft use this landing gear layout. Taildragger landing gear. Taildragger landing gear, also known as conventional landing gear, places two main wheels at the front of the aircraft's center of gravity and a smaller wheel or skid at the tail. This design was widely used on early airplanes during the first half of the 20th century. Taildraggers are well suited for rough or unpaved runways and are still popular with bush pilots and vintage aircraft. However, they require more skill to handle on the ground because the aircraft can be less stable while taxiing. Tandem landing gear. Tandem landing gear places the main wheels in a straight line along the bottom of the aircraft fuselage rather than on each side. Small support wheels, often called outrigger wheels, are usually attached to the wings to keep the aircraft balanced on the ground. This unusual design is used on certain specialized aircraft where wing design or weight distribution makes traditional landing gear difficult to install. Retractable landing gear. Retractable landing gear is designed to fold into the aircraft's fuselage or wings after takeoff. By pulling the wheels inside the aircraft, drag is reduced and the airplane becomes more aerodynamic during flight. This system improves fuel efficiency and allows aircraft to fly faster. Retractable landing gear is commonly used on commercial airliners, high-performance private aircraft, and many military airplanes. Fixed landing gear remains extended at all times and does not retract into the aircraft during flight. This design is simpler, lighter, and easier to maintain compared to retractable systems. Fixed landing gear is commonly found on smaller aircraft such as flight training planes and light utility aircraft. Although it creates more drag in flight, the simplicity and reliability make it ideal for basic aviation operations. Amphibious landing gear allows an aircraft to operate both on land and on water. These systems combine wheels with floats or a special hull design, giving the aircraft the ability to land on runways as well as lakes or coastal waters. Amphibious aircraft are often used in remote areas where airports may not exist, but water access is available, making them very useful for transport, tourism, and rescue missions.